Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Nissan Sentra. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. A clean lens is crucial, so wipe down your headlight covers to remove any dirt or grime. This preparation ensures you get the most accurate adjustment possible for optimal visibility. Next, measure the height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, creating two distinct horizontal lines. Then, find the exact center of your Nissan Sentra's front end and mark a corresponding vertical line on the wall. These marks will serve as your precise reference points for proper headlight aiming. Now, it's time to make the adjustments. Open your hood and locate the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. Use a screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, aiming the top of the low beam cutoff line to be slightly below your marked horizontal line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the brightest part of the beam on the vertical line. After adjusting, double-check that both headlights are aimed symmetrically and provide clear, even illumination. Take your Nissan Sentra for a test drive on a dark road to ensure the beams are not too high or too low, and that they adequately light up the road ahead. Remember, proper headlight alignment is key for safe driving. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.